Barangay Poblacion, located at the heart of the municipality, is a shining example of inclusivity, especially in its unwavering commitment to persons with disabilities, PWDs. With 126 registered PWDs, Poblacion has prioritized ensuring that no one is left behind, focusing on those who might otherwise be marginalized. Under the leadership of Punong Barangay Francisco Mejia, who assumed office in July 2016, Poblacion has launched impactful initiatives that foster a community where every individual feels valued and supported. The barangay's flagship program, Happy Poblacion, Feel Mo at Kita Mo ang Serbisyo, is a testament to this commitment, aimed to provide top-notch services to all residents, with a special focus on PWDs. Mejia spearheaded the allocation of 1% of the barangay's national tax allotment exclusively for PWD programs and services, ensuring that PWDs receive the attention and resources they need to thrive. Poblacion enacted Ordinance No. 4, Series of 2019, which provides essential financial assistance to qualified PWDs, 1,000 for medical support, 1,000 for educational aid, and 1,000 for burial expenses. This ordinance ensured that PWDs and their families are supported during critical times. Additionally, unutilized funds are used to purchase and distribute grocery items to PWDs that began in December 2020 and continues annually. Recognizing the fundamental right of PWDs to education, Poblacion has partnered to institutions for a scholarship opportunity. This collaboration has enabled PWDs to complete their college degrees, empowering them to achieve their academic and professional goals. Further strengthening its support for PWDs, Poblacion established a PWD Empowerment Desk through Ordinance No. 8, Series of 2022. This ensures that PWDs have direct representation within the barangay and access to resources. Officers dedicated to this desk receive a monthly honorarium of 3,000 pesos, with potential for increases based on available funds. In 2023, Ordinance No. 9 Series of 2023 expanded assistance for PWDs to include additional medical and financial support, as well as the provision of assistive devices. Poblacion's inclusivity efforts extend to economic empowerment. Ordinance No. 7 Series of 2021 exempt PWDs from fees for business permits, clearances, and certifications, removing financial barriers and encouraging entrepreneurial activities among PWDs. They offer a range of services to improve the quality of life for PWDs, including free transportation for educational activities, free haircuts, free dental extraction or bunot, and provision of free medicines. During the pandemic, Poblacion demonstrated its commitment to leaving no one behind by providing personalized face masks and ensuring emergency transportation for PWDs. Poblacion's heartfelt dedication to inclusivity has garnered well-deserved recognition from the ASEAN Disability Forum, which lauded the barangay for its exceptional effort in creating an inclusive environment.
Bago po tayo lumipat ng segment ay nais lang po nating batiin ang magaling na Kapitan Francisco Mejia and Council ng Barangay Poblacion, Malasiqui, Pangasinan. Sila po ay nagpasa ng isang ordinansa na nagbibigay ng 1,000 pesos financial assistance each para sa mga seniors, PWDs, solo parent, pregnant women at PUV drivers. Mabuhay po kayo, Kap Mejia and Council.
Under the compassionate leadership of Punong Barangay and the supportive Barangay Council, Poblacion has turned the ideal of inclusivity into a vibrant reality. Their unwavering commitment ensures that every individual, regardless of their abilities, is valued and supported. By leaving no one behind, Poblacion sets a profound example for other communities, demonstrating how genuine care and dedication can transform lives and inspire others to embrace true inclusivity.